Dear students, this is the final chapter of this final topic of this lesson about application of derivative. While studying about derivative, you may ask, you have asked about the application, or you may thought in that way. Now, this is the real life example and real life application of derivatives in economics and business that we have to use in economics and business. Before starting the problem solution part, let me highlight some content that some terminology and some symbol which is used in the given problems. And first of all, look at here what's about total cost. If Q is the quantity produced and the total cost function C is defined as C of Q, total cost TC associated with volume of the production. Think about that. That depends on the volume of production. Total cost depends on the volume of production. तपाईले जति भोल्युममा पिठो कति ल्याउने चिनी कति ल्याउने भन्ने कुरा, तपाई कति रोटी पाउरोटी उत्पादन गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरामा भर पर्छ र त्यसमा कति मजदुर लाग्ने भन्ने टोटल कस्टहरु निकाल्न सक्छौं हामीले. टोटल कस्ट भनेको भेरिएबल कस्ट एन्ड फिक्स्ड कस्ट हामीले चर्चा गरिसकेका छौं. त्यही भएर तपाईको भोल्युम अफ क्वान्टिटी कति प्रोड्युस गरिन्छ त्यसमा तपाईको टोटल कस्ट त्यो पनि डिपेन्ड्स हुन्छ. अब एभरेज कस्ट भन्ने चाहिँ हामी नयाँ टर्मिनोलोजी पढ्छौं. एभरेज कस्ट भने एभरेज कस्ट इज द टोटल कस्ट डिवाइडेड बाइ टोटल क्वान्टिटी. अब बुझ्नुहुन्छ, टोटल कस्टलाई टोटल क्वान्टिटीले डिवाइड गर्यो भने त्यसलाई हामी एभरेज कस्ट भन्छौं. If CQ is the total cost and Q is the total quantity produced, then average cost, this is AC, total cost by total quantity, CQ by Q. And if we need to find the CQ, means total cost, that is the average cost times quantity, if average cost is given. Now, this is average. And total revenue, if P is the price, रेभेन्यू भनेको त प्राइस, इन्कम भनेको त प्राइसमा डिपेन्ड हुन्छ. क्यू बी द सेलिङ क्वान्टिटी, अनि क्वान्टिटी सेल गरेको क्वान्टिटी हो, प्रोडक्ट गरेको होइन नि, सेल गरेको र कति पैसामा सेल गर्यो. द्याट इज टोटल रेभेन्यू इक्वल पी टाइम्स क्यू. पी मिन्स प्राइस एन्ड क्यू इज द सेलिङ क्वान्टिटी. सेलिङ क्वान्टिटी टाइम्स प्राइस, टोटल रेभेन्यू. एन्ड नाउ द एभरेज रेभेन्यू इज टोटल रेभेन्यू डिवाइडेड बाई टोटल क्वान्टिटी. टोटल रेभेन्यूलाई टोटल क्वान्टिटीले डिवाइड गर्यो भने that will the average revenue, which is known as the demand function. यो डिमान्ड फंक्शन हुन्छ किन भन्दा एभरेज रेभेन्यू भनेको टोटल आर टीआर बाई क्यू. टीआर भनेको पी टाइम्स क्यू बाई क्यू. क्यू क्यू काटिँदा that is P, which is demand function. In this way we can find the average revenue. Average revenue is P. Now the second part, dear students, what is total profit? The total profit is difference between total revenue and total cost. It is defined as RQ, and total revenue, RQ means revenue function, RQ in terms of quantity, and CQ with the total cost, then pi Q is RQ minus CQ. This is total profit. And marginal cost, we have to find marginal cost. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost is the change in the cost purchase or is additional unit of production. If del Q and del C be the small change in volume of the production and the cost respectively, then del C by del Q given average rate of change of cost with respect to Q. The rate of change of cost with respect to Q is known, Q is marginal cost. So marginal cost MC is DC by DQ. तपाई बुझ्नुस्, marginal cost भनेको derivative of cost with respect to quantity or Q. This is marginal cost. We have to find marginal cost also. And now the marginal revenue, dear students. Marginal revenue is the change in total revenue brought by the sale of one more unit goods. If del Q and del R be small changes in the output Q and revenue respectively, then del R by del Q is the average rate of revenue. So MR equal dr by dq. Remember, marginal cost is dc by dq and marginal revenue is dr by dq, and profit is, what's the profit? That is, profit is rq minus that is revenue minus cost. Now the last part, dear students, about marginal profit. About marginal profit, that is the difference between total revenue and total cost is profit. And RQ and CQ be the total cost, then profit is, that's RQ minus CQ, that I already done. Then marginal profit is differentiating pi with respect to Q. This is called marginal profit. Marginal profit, marginal revenue, marginal cost, and total cost, total revenue, and profit, that we have discussed this terminology. The questions given like this way, dear students, in exercise. For the following cost function of product, CQ equal 40 plus 8Q, C represents the total cost, and Q or small q that output, find the marginal cost. We have to find marginal cost. The solution is here CQ equal 40 plus 8Q. Cost function is that. Now marginal cost, which is called MC, equal dc over dq equal d by dq of 40 plus 8 cube equal 8. Therefore marginal cost MC equal to 8. This is the cost, marginal cost. In this way we can find or we can solve this question. Now the next question, dear students, let me read out the question. The total cost of making Q outputs is CQ equal 40Q plus QE square. Find the marginal cost at the production level 4. So dear students, here we have given cost function equal 40Q plus Q square. Now marginal cost, that is MC equal dc by dq equal d by dq of 40q plus q square equal 40 plus 2q. Derivative of 40q is 40q square is 2q. And when the marginal cost at the production, when the production level is 4, then MC equal 40 plus 2 times 4 equal 48. In this production level marginal cost will be 48. Now next question, dear students. 1C number question, dear students. If the average cost of a new product, average cost of a new product AC equals 16 by x plus 5 plus 4x, where AC is the average cost and x is the output, find the marginal cost at 15 unit of outputs. So the solution, dear students, average cost, that is called AC equal 16 over x plus 5 plus 4x. We know AC equal CQ over Q, and cost function equal AC times Q. So Q is supposed by X here, output is X. So X times 16 by X plus 5 plus 4X. Therefore CQ equal X times 16 by X, 16 plus 5X plus 4X square. Now we have to find marginal cost. Marginal cost MC is the derivative of cost function with respect to Q. So dc by dx, as x is the variable or output we suppose. So d by dx of 16 plus 5x plus 4x square equal this 0, this 5 plus 4 to the 8x. 5 plus 8x when output x equal 15, units of output is x, which is 15, then dc over dx equal 5 plus 8 times 15 equal 125. Therefore MC equal 125. Now the next question given over here, dear students, is for the following function, that is I, for the following function rq equal 15q plus 3q square minus 1 by 6q cube. Find the marginal revenue when the output is 12. Marginal revenue MR we have to find. RQ is given this. Yeah. The solution, dear students, we have given RQ function, that is 15q plus 3q square minus 1 over 6q cube, where output equal q. Then what is the marginal revenue? Yes, marginal revenue which is called EMR equal dr by dq. Dr by dq, derivative of this small q, 15q plus 3q square minus 1 over 6q cube. Then we obtain derivative of 15q is 15 plus 3q 6 cube minus 1 by 6 times 3q square equal 15 plus 6 cube minus 1 by 2q square. Yeah. So when output is 12, when output q equal 12, then marginal revenue MR equal 15 plus 6 times 12 minus 1 by 2 12 square equal 15 plus 72 minus 72. In this way we can find the marginal revenue. Okay, dear students, now the next question is, we have given demand function of a form P equal to 30 minus 2Q. We have to find marginal revenue at the production level 5. The solution is, firstly we have given here demand function P equal 30 minus 2Q. Yeah. And we know R, that is revenue, equal P times Q equal 30 minus 2Q times Q equal 30Q minus 2Q square, where Q is the production quantity. And we know marginal revenue equal derivative of revenue with respect to Q equal d by dq of 30Q minus 2Q square equal 30 minus 4Q. When the production level is 5, then marginal revenue equal 30 minus 4 times 5 equal to 10. Answer. The 3A number question is given like this. Given below are the cost functions CQ, revenue function CX and RX. CX equal x square by 2 minus 50 and RX is 6x plus 7. Find the marginal profit function, their corresponding values at the production level for. Also find the maximum profit. This is the important question. And the solution, dear students. Here we have given cost function. Cost function CX. Cost function CX equal x square by 50 minus x square by 2 x square by 2 minus 50, and revenue function RFX equal 6x plus 7. This is given to us. Now profit function we have to find. Profit function, that is pi x equal Rx minus Cx. Yes, this is profit function. We can directly find the derivative for the next step, or we can simplify this. That depends on your choice. This is Rx is 6x plus 7 minus Cx is minus x square by 2 plus 50, or minus x square by 2 plus 6x plus 57 is pi x. This is profit function, but we need marginal profit. So marginal profit, that is marginal profit, is MP equal d pi by dx for variable x or output x equal d by dx of minus x square by 2 plus 6x plus 57 equal minus 1 by 2 2x, this first, plus 6 plus 57 is 0 0 0 2 cut, minus x plus 6. And the first part is marginal profit function is marginal profit is minus x plus 6, that is marginal profit function, or marginal profit is that. Then when the production level is 4, marginal profit is minus 4 plus 6 equal 2. This is first part. And again, dear students, also find the maximum profit. Remember about maximization and minimization. So for max and mean value, this first derivative d pi by dx should be 0, or minus x plus 6 equals 0. Therefore x equals 6. X equals 6. And x equals 6. Now second derivative d square pi over dx square equal, what is the derivative of minus x plus 6? That is minus 1, which is smaller than 0. So it has maximum profit as second derivative is less than 0. So at production level 6, it has maximum profit as production level 6. Therefore the profit, maximum profit equal, what is the given function? This you have to put value of x is 6. Profit equal minus 6 square by 2 plus 6 times 6 plus 57 equal, dear students, 75. Let me repeat it again. Firstly, this is the profit function, and marginal profit is the derivative of that, so that is minus x plus 6. And when the production level is 6, the marginal profit will be 2. Again, what is the maximum and maximum profit we have to find? For that, first derivative d pi by dx should be 0, and we can find value of x, that is production level, or x is 6. And second derivative you need to check whether you obtain positive or negative. This is smaller than 0, negative 1. That's why, so it has a maximum profit at production level, this 6. So maximum profit we have to find from this profit function. So value of x you have to substitute in this function. That's why it is 75. This is very important question. Yes, the cost function of a product is this 3q square plus 8. Yeah, and demand function of the same product is this 1 by 3q square minus 10q plus 105, where q is the output, p is the price per unit output, and if so, find the marginal cost when output is first. First we have to find the marginal cost. Now the solution, dear students, solution is first of all, cost of production, cost function equal 3q square plus 8, and demand function p equal 1 by 3 q square minus 10 cube plus 105. Now marginal cost. marginal cost, that is MC, equal dc by dq equal derivative of 3q square plus 8 equal 6 cube, yeah, 1 q equal 4, then MC equal 6 times 4 equal 24. First part is completed. And the second part, dear student, marginal revenue at output level 4. We have to find the marginal revenue. So for marginal revenue, dear students, first of all, we have to find the revenue. Revenue R equal P times Q equal Q times, what's the P? Demand function. 1 by 3 Q square minus 10Q plus 105. Then it is 1 by 3 Q cube minus 10Q square plus 105Q. This is revenue function. Marginal revenue. Not revenue only. This is revenue function. This is revenue. Now, marginal revenue. That is called MR equal dr by dq equal d by dq of 1 by 3 cube minus 10q square plus 105q equal, now we have to find the derivative. 3 cancel, that will be q square minus 20q plus 105. This is MR. Now MR8 output level 4. Then MR equal 4 square 20 times 4 plus 105 equal 41. This way we can find the second part. Now third part, dear students, find the marginal profit at the output level 4. Marginal profit we have to find. For this part, let me show you. First of all, we need profit pi q equal rq minus cq. Many times I discussed this. RQ is what? 1 by 3 QQ minus 10 square plus 105 cube minus CQ is what? 3Q square plus 8. Then it will be, yes, minus 3Q square minus 8. And by simplifying this, we will obtain 1 by 3 Q cube minus 13Q square, this and this, plus 105Q minus 8. This is pi Q. And we know that marginal profit, that is called MP equal d pi over dq equal d by dq of 1 by 3 q minus 13q square plus 105 cube minus 8, and we will get finally from the derivative we will get after calculation q square minus 26 cube plus 105, derivative and cancellation. Now therefore MP8 level output level 4 MP equal 4 square minus 26 times 4 plus 105 equal 17. This is the marginal profit output level 4. Now finally we have to solve the question IV number, my dear students. The IV number question is IV part. Also find the maximum profit. We have to find the maximum profit. So for max and min, what can we do? D pi by D cube equal 0. So what is D pi by D cube? This, yeah, that is q square minus 26 cube plus 105 equal 0. And you have to factorize this q square minus 21 cube minus 5 cube plus 105 equal 0. And by factorizing this, you know that you will obtain q equal to 5 and 26. 21. You will obtain two values, that is 5 and 21. Yeah. Then we have to find d square pi over dx square, that you know that. So this will be 22 cube. Q square is 2 cube. From here we have to differentiate this again, that is this, yeah, d pi by d cube is this. We have to differentiate it again, 26 minus 26. Yeah. Okay, so we have two values of cube. This is second derivative, so we have to check d square pi by dx square 8q equal 5. That will be 2 times 5 minus 26 equal minus 16 smaller than 0. So it has max value or profit 8q equal 5. Then dear students, let me rub this. Then q equal to 5, it has maximum value. Again we need to check for d square pi over dx square 8 dq square, here q square, dear students, with respect to q, q equal 21. That will be 2 times 21 minus 26, 42 minus 26 equal 16, which is greater than 0. So it has minimum value 8, q equal 21. Finally 8q quantity level 5, at this level we will get a maximum value. So the maximum value is, we have to find the maximum profit. Yes, max profit equal, what is the profit function? 1 by 3 cube minus 13 q square. तपाईले पहिलोकोमै राख्नु पर्यो 105 क्युब minus 8 यसैमा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नुहोस् र प्रॉफिट पाउनुहोस् how much profit will you get I think 233.66 profit you will get 8 q equal 5 so this is the profit for this